Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn ChatGPT plus JavaScript. How to write and how to ask ChatGPT to prepare and implement your code and real world problems in JavaScript language. Yes, it's a super easy if you know how to ask a query. Yes, your code and your program is ready. Shall we see how it is possible? Yes, let's initiate. Yeah, here is a ChatGPT is a non-profit open source code. Write what you want and get the answer immediately. Getting better on every day this tool of AI is implementing. Register now for free. Create an account with your Google or Microsoft account. What you want to know and test you want to for this AI tool, yes, you just try it immediately. Now, my question is, write a calculator program in JavaScript. To making a master and a super easy techniques and skills if you want to add yourself. Yes, you know how to ask a question to your ChatGPT to get a quick and immediate answer. Yes, before initiating, we'll see how to register and enroll to log in ChatGPT. Go to Google and simply hit on ChatGPT. Yeah, ChatGPT and hit enter. Yes. Now, optimizing language models for dialogue engine OpenAI. It's a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. It is built on top OpenAI's GPT-3 family, large language models, and fine-tuned, supervised, and reinforcement of learning techniques which are applied. Which is launched November 30th of 2022, 49 days ago only. Now let's go to this particular chart, OpenAI. See here, if you are having more time, you just go through it. Try ChatGPT. Yes. Now, already I have logged in, so it's giving me an entry point. Or else, what you will, if you are a new user and fresh, yes, it will ask you sign up for your Google or Microsoft. Let's create your account, free account now. Now let's see. When I ask something to this ChatGPT, here is a text box we need to type. Here is your query, need to enter and click here for submission of your query. Now my query is here. Let's check write a calculator program in JavaScript. Take a copy of line, or else if you are having a time, you just type it out. Let's write a calculator program in JavaScript. Let's hit it. Yes. What ChatGPT is understanding. Yeah. Sometimes a few times what happening here, ChatGPT is facing a huge hitting. Servers are very busy to getting a response. So meanwhile, maybe they'll sit right all these things. You will try keep on, you are getting, once the things are ready on ChatGPT GPT API, then you will get a proper quick response. Yeah, just give me I'm reloading this and submitting one more time my query here. Yes, submit. Yeah, it's a caution is giving, we are facing a high demand, so it's taking this much of time. Yeah, your request model that's not compatible with the engine, please contact to our help center. Just give me. Yeah, sometimes when the ChatGPT is not, see, we are experiencing a exceptionally high demand. Hang tight, we work in the scaling of our system, they are working. Yes, let me check. Yes, multiple times. If I am trying 2 or 3 times, definitely I am getting the message for output. So yes, here is a simple calculator program written in JavaScript. So the function calculator, name it itself, and operation number 1, number 2, if else statement it is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Wow, super easy. And console only it is written. Yes, if you are familiar in JavaScript, how to pass the input elements to the JavaScript to calling this particular function, you pass the arguments. Or else what you need to do is here 3 arguments which are accepting, you need to pass from the document by get element by ID DOM objects. Alright, now let me test this JavaScript how it is functioning. Take a copy of this code here. Yes, I am here. I would like to show you and a test of this code. By go to my favorite editor of Sublime Text Editor. Yeah, go to file, create a new file. Yes, this new file I'm going to saving as JS calculator .html form I am saving. Yes, .html form in Sublime Text Editor. Any HTML form you may save it, and here you need to go for simple syntax calculator program. Okay, now here inside the body, what we need to do, like a script tag we need to add for JavaScript. Yes, here inside I just taken a copy of this JavaScript code from the chatbot to here. I have pasted this ChatGPT. Yes, this code I have taken a copy and I have pasted here in my HTML form. Now save this form JS calculator, and in desktop I have saved this form. See, js.calculator. Go to here and run this. Open with very simply. HTML form is not required any of the any of the third-party servers to run this. Just browser can able to access directly. Open this HTML and JavaScript programs. So Google Chrome, I have opened this program js.calculator. Let's go where the program is initiated or not. Go to F12 icon from your keyboard. Wow, see the console. Go to the elements and console window. See here 7, 3, 10, 2.5 and a line number. Based on the line numbers we are getting invalid operations. So come back to here in the program. Let's check here 5, 2, what is the addition and the subtraction, 3, 10, 2.5. Last one is a square. Invalid operation it is given. So square is not available here, so it's given for invalid operation. So if you want to regenerate code, yes, you can regenerate or re-ask the question for write a calculator program in JavaScript. And also, if you know how to write a simple programs in basics of JavaScript, see the program takes the 3 arguments. Operation of add, subtraction, multiplication, division is only prepared, and 2 numbers for as an inputs, one number is 5, 2, how the addition is required, minimum 2 numbers. No, the same explanation is also ChatGPT is given as robust. So how super easily you just write a program and apply in your way. So the console window, once we are getting an output in JavaScript, as it's clearly you have seen. So I hope it's a super easy lecture to practice more and more lectures in maybe irrespective of the programming language, which programming language you want to learn. Yes, you apply as a artificial intelligence tool of ChatGPT. I hope it's a super easy. And for more such type of updates, please do subscribe now. Thank you for watching this lecture. We'll catch you soon.